Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to the Fields Family Christmas Lights Show. Wanted to go ahead and share a quick video with you on one of the sequences that we're working on. This is one of our favorite songs here at our house. One of the main ones, I should say, that we incorporate into our light show. So this year we're adding in some new RGB Pixels. So the ability to change the colors of the lights on a single strand versus having to run multiple strands of lights. So this is one of the ones that I'm working on first to incorporate. What you're seeing here is the sequencer software that comes from Light-O-Rama. This is version S5. I do have the Pro license, so I can support all the controllers and the pixels that we're running. So what you see down here at the bottom is just the portions where we go in and we turn everything on. But just to give you a little sample of what this year's light show is going to look like, give you a little bit more of the screen here. This is what we have. I hope you enjoy it. By all means, feel free to post any comments down below. Be sure to like our YouTube channel and visit us on Facebook at Fields Family Christmas Lights. I hope you enjoy.
It was the night before Christmas. He lived all alone in a one-bedroom house made of plaster and stone. I had come down the chimney with presents to give, to see just who in this dwelling did live. I looked all around, a strange sight to see. No tinsel, no presents, not even a tree. No stockings on the mantel, just boots filled with sand. On the wall hung pictures of far distant lands. Medals, badges, awards of every kind. A sobering thought came alive in my mind. This house was different. It was dark, it was dreary. I had found the home of a soldier. I could see that most clearly. The soldier lay sleeping, silent, alone, curled up on the floor in this one-bedroom home. His face was so gentle, the room in such disorder, not at all how I pictured a United States soldier. Was this the hero of whom I'd just read, curled up on a poncho, the floor for a bed? Then I realized the other families that I saw this night owed their lives to soldiers who were willing to fight. In the morning round the world, children would play. Grown-ups would celebrate a bright Christmas day. They all enjoy freedom each month of the year because of soldiers like the one lying here. I couldn't help but wonder how many lay alone on a cold Christmas Eve in lands far from home. The very thought brought a tear to my eye. I dropped to my knees. I started to cry. The soldier awakened. I heard his rough voice. Santa, don't cry. This life is my choice. I fight for freedom. I don't ask for more. My life is my God, my country, my core. The soldier rolled over and drifted asleep. But I couldn't control it, and I continued to weep. I kept watch for hours, so silent and still, as both of us shivered from the cold night's chill. I didn't want to leave him on that cold, dark night, this guardian of honor, so willing to fight. Then, the soldier rolled over, with a voice soft and pure. He whispered, "Carry on, Santa. It's Christmas Day. All secure." One look at my watch, I knew he was right. Merry Christmas, my friend. May God bless you this night.
Again, I hope you enjoyed that little sample. It's still a work in progress, so over the next couple of weeks we'll be working on this to get it ready for when we start. But just wanted to share it with you just to give you a little idea of what we have coming. Again, be sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notifications as we start to post out more videos. We'll be posting more throughout the holiday season. Also, again, visit us on Facebook at Fields Family Christmas Light Show. And we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas and have a good year.